Need to send a fax from your phone or tablet? The HP app makes it super simple, and we'll show you how to start faxing in just a few minutes. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from 123.hp.com or your app store. In the HP app, select your printer, and then select Mobile Fax. Mobile Fax isn't available in all countries and regions. If you don't see the Mobile Fax option, it might not be available in your area. If prompted, sign into your HP account. If this is your first time sending a mobile fax, follow the prompts to get started. If it's not your first time, select Compose Fax. In the To section, select country or region and choose the country you're sending the fax to. Enter the fax number and name of the recipient. Select Save Contact if you like. In the From section, select country or region and choose the country you're sending the fax from. Enter your phone number and name. Select Add Optional Info if you want to include additional information like your organization or email. Select Save Profile if you like. In the Files and Cover Page section, toggle on Need a Cover Page? Then, enter the subject and a message. Save the cover page as a template if you want. To preview the cover page, select the cover page icon. Under Add Your Files, add the items you want to fax. Select Files and Photos and follow the prompts to add files from your phone or tablet. Select Camera and follow the prompts if you want to add a document or photo scanned with your device. To add a document or photo scanned from your printer, select Printer Scanner and follow the prompts. Tap the More icon to save a draft, clear all fields, or access fax settings and history. Once you've added all your files to your fax, select Send Fax.